All right, let's take a look at an impact socket adapter. This is perfect for those that don't want to carry too many tools with you and you want to limit your bag. This is probably the proper tool you got to use. So you are going to need an electrical screwdriver to use this or a handheld one. But I recommend a screwdriver, a hand because electrical because it's much easier. Now, of course, this system, as soon as you spin it, the front of it spins. All right. The adapter is universal. If you guys can see that. So pretty much you just spin it one way and it goes into the other way. So you can actually have in a tight quarters and you can actually set this up. It's an L shape. You can set it up in the tight quarters and it'll work very properly. Now, they give you other adapters too, if you guys notice here. They give you for larger sockets and shorter sockets. And these are perfect in case you're going to adapt them. You can put any one you want and they'll spin it. Color coordinated, of course, too. So make it easier for in case you're working with somebody that doesn't know the sizes. You can just tell them, red, blue, or yellow. So let's go ahead and set them up and see how they work. All right. So if you want to screw in some holes on the side, you can use this tool. If you guys can see that, it grabs on pretty good. Just tighten it up and just let it sit. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up our actual drill. As long as you hold on to it. Went through, then come in secondary, change the head. I have a multi-tool here. Take that apart. The next one. It's going in. Simple as that. So you can use multiple tools. This is a 3/8, but it fits pretty good on this one. So let me show you how good it fits. 3/8. All right. And this is a multi-tool. It actually could take multiple ones. So we could even do it sideways in here. See how I have it twisted? I could just go like this on the side. Look at that. That's it. Simple. So sideways, if it's a hard place to drill in, pretty much anywhere. The side angles. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.